Downloading your account data from PlayStation is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you retrieve your information correctly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find Data Management options. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section related to data management or privacy settings. This is where you can manage your account data. Step 4. Request data download. Within the data management options, find the option to request a download of your account data. Follow the prompts to specify what data you want to download. Step 5. Confirm and wait for email. After submitting your request, check your email for confirmation message from PlayStation. They will notify you once your data is ready for download, which may take some time. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to access your account data as needed.